Cash Giraffe currently rewards gameplay through active playtime and in-game milestones, so a practice mode that stays locked can be caused by the game offer itself, rather than your Cash Giraffe balance. By the end, you'll know where the unlock is controlled, what to check when practice mode stays unavailable, and when reinstalling Cash Giraffe is actually worth trying. First, check the game's own requirements. Cash Giraffe says rewards can be connected to milestones such as reaching levels, completing achievements, or hitting progression markers. That means an unlock shown inside the game may depend on your progress in that specific game, not simply on opening Cash Giraffe. Open the game directly from the Cash Giraffe offer page, and check whether the practice mode requirement is displayed inside the game. If it says you need to reach a level, complete a tutorial, or finish another requirement, complete that requirement before troubleshooting the Cash Giraffe app. The next thing to check is tracking. Cash Giraffe says it needs tracking permission to measure playtime and correctly attribute gem rewards. If tracking is disabled, the app may not properly recognize your gameplay. On Android, check Cash Giraffe's permissions in the system settings and make sure the required tracking or usage permissions are enabled. On iPhone, check the tracking permission for Cash Giraffe in settings and allow it if you previously denied it. Then completely close both Cash Giraffe and the game. Reopen Cash Giraffe, select the same offer again, and launch the game from inside the offer page. This matters because Cash Giraffe tracks supported games through its offer system. If practice mode is still locked, check whether the game has updated. An update can change menus, progression requirements, or available features without changing your Cash Giraffe account. Also check whether the game is still listed as an active offer in Cash Giraffe. The app says new games appear regularly, and that available offers can change, so an older offer may not behave the same way after an update. Avoid uninstalling the game immediately if you are already progressing through a Cash Giraffe offer. Removing a tracked game can affect your ability to continue the same offer. So, the practical fix is simple. Verify the practice mode requirement inside the game, confirm Cash Giraffe tracking permissions, launch the game from the Cash Giraffe offer page, and update the game if an update is available. If practice mode remains locked after those checks, contact Cash Giraffe support with the game name and a screenshot of the locked feature. Those steps separate a game-level unlock problem from a Cash Giraffe tracking problem. Try the tracking and launch checks first, and if this fixed the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe fixes.